So let's solve the equation on the board. It said solve the equation 2 over x minus 1 minus 3 over x plus 1 is equal to 1. So the first thing you need to do, remember this is a fraction, this is also a fraction. So let's join these fractions together. So the first thing is what? Subtraction of this fraction. So what is the LCM of this? The LCM of, okay, let me start by my board. Let's start from here. Solution. So the first thing is what? To look for 2 over x minus 1 minus 3 over x plus 1 is equal to 1. So the next thing I'm to look for the LCM of this two fractions. So what's the LCM? The LCM is just this and this, just like when you're looking for the LCM of a prime number, but this is not a prime number. This is a what? Or this is an algebra fraction, basically for a number and what alphabet. So we look for the what? The LCM of both of them. The LCM of both of them is the same thing as x minus 1 close the bracket, then x plus 1 close the bracket. So we find the what? Simplify now. So this one will cancel this one, remember this one. So this one will multiply by this. X minus 1 will cancel this one, remember this. So multiply by this, I will have 2 open bracket x plus 1 close bracket. This will cancel this one. If this one cancel this, what is remaining? We have this one. So this one will multiply by this. I will now have minus 3 open bracket x minus 1 close the bracket. Everything is equal to what now? 1. So when you are through with this, you can now open this bracket. This time this will give me 2x. Then times this will give me what? Plus 2 minus 3x plus 3, because minus times minus will give you plus. Everything all over what now? X minus 1, then x plus 1 plus the bracket equal to 1. So I will join these things together. This one will give me 2x minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 all over x minus 1 close the bracket, open bracket x plus 1 close the bracket equal to 1. So when I have this one, 2x minus 3x will give me minus x plus this plus it will give me what? Plus 5 all over x minus 1 close bracket, then x plus 1 close bracket equal to what? 1. So if I do this one now, I will have to cross multiply. Put 1 here that will cross multiply. So when I cross multiply, this will multiply by this, while this will multiply by this. So I will have minus x plus 5 is equal to everything here, which is x minus 1 bracket close bracket, then x plus 1 close bracket. All right, so now another thing I need to break down here, listen, I need to open this one. So if I open this one here, this will give me minus x plus 5 is equal to, this will multiply by this will multiply by this, I will have s squared. This one will multiply by this 2, this one will give me plus x, then this one will multiply by this, I will have minus x, then this will multiply by this, I will have what? Minus 1. So when I have this, I can now join this together. So I will have minus x plus 5 is equal to s squared. Then we can basically simplify this and this out already. So I will have minus what now? 1. So what is remaining is what? To collect all the like things. So if I collect all the like things, that means all this one will move to the other side here. So I will have this one 0 is equal to s squared. If this one cross to the other side, it will change to plus. So I will have plus x. Then this one come to the other side, I have minus 1. Then minus what now? 5. So if I have it as minus 1 minus 5, this one will be 0 is equal to s squared plus x minus 6. That means s squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I now have a quadratic equation now. So I can now simplify this. So I will look for the two factors that when I multiply together, it will give me minus 1. But when I deduct it, it will give me plus 6. So I will first of all write all the parts of 7. 6 times 1, and we have 2 times what? 3. 2 times 3. So if I'm to simplify this now, I can use 2 and 3. So what that means is if I have minus 2 plus 3, these are the factor I'm going to use, such that if I multiply minus 2 and plus 3 together, it will give me minus 6. But if I do minus 2 plus 3, it will give me what? 1, basically. So these are the factors I'm using here. So I can now bring it inside this equation. So I will have s squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I will now factorize this now. I will now say, okay, what is common between here and here? Well, x open bracket x. Then what's the remaining? Minus 2 close the bracket. What is common between here and here? I will have 3 open bracket x. Then this 3 divided by minus 6, it will give me what? Minus 2. So this one is equal to 0. If you notice these two bracket, they are equal. That means we are good to go. So I will choose one of them. I will have x plus 3 open bracket close bracket, then x minus 2 x minus 2 close bracket is equal to 0. So I can now equate both of them to 0. I will now say, therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So I can now, our final answer. So our final answer now, x is equal to what now? This one cross to the other side, minus 3, or x is equal to this one cross to the other side, is equal to what now? 2. So therefore, our x is equal to minus 3 or 2. Thank you for watching. See you in my